report on latest trends and issues in livestock and poultry. Robots, the new frontier in poultry production. Submitted by Jomar DC Visconde from Ansay Tuti. Submitted to Mr. Zenon Gian F. De La Fuente. Description of my report. The French company Octopus Robots last year launched two entirely autonomous robots. These robots must resemble the Hollywood animated trash collecting robot Wall-E as their primary function, but the bots are also modular, perhaps making them more like a transformer. Metabolic Robots is another company that has developed a robot that will dramatically increase efficiency on chicken farms. The method is primarily geared at the broiler market, as feed efficiency is higher in the layer business and with mother flocks where timers are used to feed the birds 2 to 3 days times a day. Yung French company na Octopus Robots daw po ay gumawa ng dalawang robot na medyo kahawig ni Wall-E. Pero modular yung mga robot, kaya para silang transformer na pwedeng baguhin ng version ayon sa paggagamitan ng mga robots. Tapos meron naman daw po na ibang company na gumawa rin ng ibang robots. Gawa ito ng metabolic robots. Yung mga robots naman po na gawa nila ay para naman maging efficient yung mga chicken farms. Ang target po nila ay yung mga broiler dahil matataas ang kanilang intake ng feeds. Functions ng mga robots cleaning, sanitizing, collecting eggs, and checking the chickens. Humans usually take those jobs instead of the robots, but then the robots are much efficient and precise with their work. Aside from their core functions, the robots are outfitted with sensors, cameras, and other devices that allow them to collect, analyze, and store data, potentially improving farm record keeping and traceability. The bots monitor environmental elements such as temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide, and ammonia levels in real time, alerting farmers to deviations and potential concerns. Yung robot na gawa ng French company po ay para sa paglilinis at pagsasanitize ng poultry, at yung mga robots na gawa naman ng metabolic robots ay para sa pag-aalaga ng mga manok. Pero maliban po sa kanilang main functions, kaya din nilang mag-collect at mag-analyze ng data na pwedeng makatulong sa pag-improve ng farm record.